All right, welcome back to Bagu Garage. We're down here in Bangkok having a look at this amazing Holden Commodore VL, amazing looking car, JDM inspired. I've got the owner here, Beam. We'll do a quick interview with him and he'll go and run through all the modifications that the car's done. Bit of history as well, which is just amazing. So yeah. So Beam, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah.
Woo.
Excellent. Thanks for your time to come and show off your beautiful Holden VL Commodore. It's amazing.
I'm happy because I don't have friend who, you know, modify Holdens in Thailand. Yeah. It's very rare.
It's very rare.
I cannot see it every day. It's just JDM, you know.
That's right, that's right. There's not many of these around, so since during my visit this time, I've actually found a few that are not so much modified. But I do know of others that are modified a little bit, but modifying these Holdens in Thailand is very difficult because the parts are so hard to get.
So hard.
So hard.
You gotta be like custom guy for
That's
this
right.
car.
That's right. But it's amazing what you've done and what you've achieved is just awesome. So yeah, good on you. So the history behind this VL Commodore, right, it was a police interceptor in Thailand.
This one.
In Bangkok.
It was police highway patrol in Bangkok during the period time of 1989 to, you know, 30-ish, I don't know.
Wow.
Probably like that. And for 3 years, and we bought it from, you know, police department because this one is like retired already.
Retired, yeah. And this is, you're the second owner or?
I'm the second owner.
Second owner,
yes.
Wow. And what sort of time ago did you purchase this car?
For this one, I got it from like 5 years ago.
5
because
years.
The first owner, he texts me, he's a fan of me.
Okay.
He texts me about this car story that he did his wife and got 2 kids already, and this car is at the backyard with like trash look.
Very standard
Haven't
look.
ride for 15 years.
Wow.
Not moving.
Wow.
So he sent me the paperwork, register book, and the car to me.
Yeah, okay.
For free.
For free.
And asked me, please make it legend.
Wow.
Make it
really
again.
good.
Stuff like that. So
Good
this is I love to build cars.
Yeah,
like we love building cars.
Same.
So I see these projects like, Holden is very hard to modify. Even make it look nice in Thailand. You know, it's
that's right.
It's different
to make it fit in and you know, make it look good.
So I decided to put like V8, but you know, and like stick shift engine and stuff. You know, and make it like badass police car, stuff like that. You know?
It's great, and you've got the red lights on the front.
It's like Japanese Koban in Japan.
Really?
You know? It's like Japanese car. Every single Japanese police car, they have this light.
Wow, okay, awesome.
Installed.
That's amazing.
It's a fun project, bro.
Yeah. No, I'm so happy for you that you're doing this here in Thailand. It's just next level. It blows my mind that this is what you've done here. It's really good, and you've definitely taken it to the next level. Like, it's definitely JDM inspired, and it's in beautiful condition. It's amazing condition. So the motor, let's go into the technical aspects of the motor, the driveline and that. So I believe it's a 1UZ with a turbo Garrett 28. Yeah.
It's probably M24 Garrett and
M24
V8.
Garrett,
Yeah, and with UZFE, and also the ECU is I use what Realtek. ECU is Thai brand, is standalone.
Right, yeah.
And it's pretty nice, you know, for this step, you know.
Yep.
If I want to make it more powerful, I would, you know, change the ECU, doing the piston stuff,
flat
and
top
put more
pistons,
turbo. So this car can push like 600 horsepower easily.
Yeah, easy.
But this one is more like 370.
Yeah,
you know?
So it's fairly stock bottom end, isn't it? And you've put the turbo and a custom throttle body on there. So it does go pretty good for what it is, which is good. Maybe one day you'll build the motor up and
more. But right now, good AC, you know, in Thailand is super hot. So this is very important, you know.
So good.
turbo, AC, I go for AC, bro.
Bloody awesome. That's great.
And of course, it registers, so can use daily use. You can go to the shopping mall without the worry. Not too low, I hope it's not too low. I can go, you know.
I wouldn't like to drive this in shopping mall with speed humps, put it that way.
But you need something different, you know.
That's right, you do. You do.
Every day, you know, I have many cars, Scott, because I want to change the feeling every day.
Good on you,
you know,
that's right.
Sport car.
Life is boring without modified cars, and that's my motto as well. So yeah, it's great. That's good on you.
Exactly.
So the transmission, can you tell me a little bit?
1JZ. From Toyota Soarer.
From Soarer, okay.
Yes.
And that's a 5-speed manual?
5-speed manual.
Yep, that's excellent.
And for the differential, I use the Skyline.
Skyline differential.
Yes. And for the bottom, I use Toyota Crown also.
Oh, for the crown wheel and pinion.
Yep.
For the diff gears, And that's running what, 411 gears? I think you said 411.
Yeah, 411.
Yeah, wow.
It can put for the top speed more than 245 kilometers.
Oh wow, okay. So like diff gears are pretty good
gear,
for.
Yeah, very good.
Wow.
But I think if we modify more and make it, you know, it can be top speed car, you know, because the body is heavy.
Yeah, they are.
And
they are.
It's very good to go straight, you know.
Yeah.
You know, nothing
on the
shaking.
highway. The motorway is so good out here.
Yeah, so good.
They're very smooth, and you've done the suspension as well. So you've got aftermarket coilovers, is it?
Coilover, of course.
And this car rides so good on the highway. So from what you're saying,
Yes.
So that's fantastic. No, the car is a big credit to yourself, Beam. It's amazing. So
thank you.
Yeah, it's next level. There's a lot of customizations in it. It's superb. The rims. What are the rims? Can you tell me what sort of rims they are?
Japanese Rowan Hard.
There you go.
It's Japanese brand, and the sizing is the fitment is all good, because comparing the size of this Holden is similar to, you know, Mercedes S-Class, W140, you know, the size and, you know, and everything. So it's not hard to, you know, fit in the wheel.
Yeah, they fit beautifully on how you've done it. It just good dish. They fit inside the guard.
I need some depth because it's old school car. Like that.
And does it bottom out? Does it hit? Does it rub? Does it rub on the tyres and the guard when you go over bumps?
No. I don't hear like.
No, that's good. That's good.
It's good fit.
There's plenty of clearance.
My manager car always when I sit with him.
Most modified JDM cars here in Thailand bottom out a lot, don't they? They're quite low. But this one does ride really low, but it's not bad. It's a good height.
Yeah, I don't touch the ground.
Yeah. That's amazing. Just a little bit.
Okay, just a little bit.
You've got the roll cage in there, so you must do some track work or drift work or something like that.
Can do the drift and also like daily drift, like in garage, and also you can do the track also. I like I'm a racer, so I feel happy every time when I see roll cage, you know.
Good on you. Good on you. Yeah,
even S-Class, I want to put on a roll cage.
Mercedes. That's good. That's good. So you've done a quarter-mile race? You've done quarter-mile racing?
Of course. Quarter-mile, circuit, drift, Gymkhana, everything.
Awesome. That's great. Just a quick one about the interior. These are standard VL Calais seats.
I like the seat, you
They're
know.
very, very comfortable.
Electric seat from the, you know, oldies.
All electric.
Yeah,
wow.
Still work.
That's amazing. And you've got the steering wheel there. That's from a different sort of car.
This is from the dragster.
Dragster?
Yeah.
Wow. Isn't that difficult to drive around Bangkok with a steering wheel like that?
I feel I use bicep all the time, you know, like workout.
Good workout, eh? Yeah. And you got the brake lever, good for
the e-brake.
Yeah, e-brake.
For the tail slide, little.
To slide it, yeah, that's good. And the dash is got the factory digital speedo.
Yes.
All digital dash. That's amazing.
It's from JDM.
There you go. Look at that.
And also the Defi.
And you got all the gauges happening up there, which is fantastic. Quite a few gauges. Yeah, very nice. I like that. And the door cards. The door cards are custom. Custom door cards.
Sheet, the custom from aluminum.
That's awesome, really nice. I see you've got the standard door cards in the back doors.
Yeah.
The factory ones, But I like how you've customized this.
It's pretty rare, you know.
They are very rare.
I want to buy one on eBay.
Oh, you want the front ones, do you?
Yeah, they're so expensive.
Okay, so guys, if you have any door cards to suit this car, please hit me up.
And also the motor of that rear window, I cannot open that.
Oh, the motor, yeah, please, they're pretty hard to get. Me. Yeah, guys, hit us up if you got any door, window controllers. So fantastic.
It's not working, you know.
It doesn't work.
Just that one, you know. But oh man, this is my problem for a year. I cannot find, you know, from you know, used shop here.
We'll find you something and help you out for sure from Australia. Cup and cup. No, fantastic. It's very great. So you heard that, guys. Well, yeah, hit him up. Hit us up on the video. Comment below if you got something that will help him out with the window controller and door cards. But I like his door cards how they are at the moment. They're actually pretty good. So the custom front ones. So I'll get him to start it up. We'll have a listen to it, and he'll do a quick drive around. So let's go.
Welcome to Thailand, and thank you for the fan. This is my dream Holden.
Okay? It's a great Holden. This is awesome.
Whoa! Slide.
Awesome. So good.
Beautiful slide. All right, bro.
All right. All right, I hope you enjoyed that. That was fantastic. So, yeah, wicked. Thank you very much, Beam.
Are you happy?
Oh, I'm happy, man. Happy.
Thank you.
Thank you,
brother.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good. Yeah, that was wicked. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Share, please share it around. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Everyone's bloody stoked here. Everyone's happy. Beam and his friends are just loving it. So yeah, it's great to know a Thai guy with a Holden here in Thailand. He just loves it, absolutely loves it. So anyways, thanks very much. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.